cones. This modification is strategic to gain space and reposition the radiators, now less inclined and moved forward, to help have a lower and narrower engine cover that enables a higher level of downforce to support excellent single-seater drivability. An unusual championship without a summer break, it is with no doubt a handicap for Ferrari, who immediately showed evident technical delays, the car concept problematic and unsuccessful, as per the words of team principal Mattia Binotto. The problem may not necessarily be related to only one part of the car, but it could also be related to the methodology or the concept behind it. In fact, the SF1000 project immediately showed gearbox bending problems. Having a flexing rear axle has irreparably compromised performance and setup, influencing the behavior of the front suspension. The deformation of the gearbox triggers unwanted convergence variations of the rear wheels that are worse for traction and tire wear. These bends, due to the load, cause unpredictable camber changes that reduce the grip of the tread during acceleration. The SF1000 was born as an aerodynamic evolution of the SF90. The load should have increased, but the wind tunnel data has not been confirmed on the track, and to date, corrective measures have only partially improved this lack of downforce. The first aerodynamic step arrived late, and only in the second race, with interventions on floor and nose. The vertical bulkhead has been changed. The profiles and the frontal conformation of the main plane improve the interactions of the flows under the wing, which now generates more ground effect with the same drag. By varying the geometry of the nose, the way the flows hit the car body changed positively, with reductions in the effects of turbulence on the side pods and on the engine cover. Even the shape of the floor is now new, with 9 slits instead of the previous 3. Inclined at 45 degrees, they have the task of capturing the flows that are in the upper part to push them downwards with more energy. The effect is that of a high-pressure barrier, very effective in repelling air infiltrations generated by the rolling of the wheel. A first improvement has been perceived by drivers and technicians, but lap time has changed little. The real problem remains the engine power depth due to the FIA 2020 technical directives. We can say that the SF1000 is missing 7/10 in the straight and 3 in the corners. Binotto's diagnosis shows that PU is the greatest problem. The freezing of the